Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students, how are you today? I hope that you are in good condition. Keep health and keep positive.
Let's recite doa before study. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Oh Allah, give me knowledge and good understanding. Amin.
Do you see the video? Wow! Wow! What are they doing? They carry the house. They carry the house together. It's amazing, right? Wow! Wow! Yes, this is, wow, it's so heavy. Yes, this is what we call it gotong royong. Gotong royong is one of our culture, one of Indonesian cultures. When someone want to move out from one place to another place, their neighborhoods help them. They carry the house together from the old place to the new place. This is one of the example of gotong royong in Bugis. They carry the house together. The job, even the house is very heavy, but because they are doing it together, it becomes easier. They carry the house from the old place to the new place. This is one of the good example of gotong royong in our culture. Why I show you this video? Why? Do you want to know? What is the lesson today? What is the topic? Why I show you one of our good culture, gotong royong? Do you want to know? Let's find it out. After you see the video, now it's time for us to study PKN lesson for grade 4, 5, 6. What is the topic? The topic is about Pancasila, sila ketiga. Do you know what is Pancasila, sila ketiga? Let's remember it. In Pancasila, there are 5 pillars, or we call it 5 sila. First, sila pertama, ketuhanan yang Maha Esa. 2, kemanusiaan yang adil dan beradab. 3, persatuan Indonesia. 4, kerakyatan yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan dalam permusyawaratan perwakilan. 5, keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia. We will focus on sila ketiga, persatuan Indonesia. Let's learn it.
Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil maupun sentosa, pribadi bangsaku. Ayo maju, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju.
What is the good value from sila ketiga persatuan Indonesia? For primary 5, you can learn it from your book Tematik 5, tema 1, page 25. And for grade 4 and 6, you can listen it carefully. The good example for Persatuan Indonesia. Remember, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, unity in diversity. Why I say unity in diversity? Indonesia is an archipelago country. We have lots of languages, lot of ethnics. We have more than 5 religions. So unity is important. Unity is the priority. If you are Indonesian citizens, you have to put your personal priority after the public priority. You have to do your obligations, then you're right. You have to love your country. You have to be proud because you are Indonesian. You use bahasa Indonesia as bahasa persatuan. You have to work together. You have to help each other. Those are the good value from sila ketiga Persatuan Indonesia. Now we will see the example of help each others, working together in the community. Primary 4, observe it and knowing it. Let's check it out. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hai Ibu.
Iya, teacher.
Kabar?
Alhamdulillah.
Lagi pada ngapain Ibu?
Kerja bakti, teacher.
Kerja
Nyampul
bakti,
buku.
nyampul buku Mbak Ria.
Iya, nyampul buku.
Oh iya, nyampul buku buat siapa Mbak Ria?
Buat anak-anak.
Buat anak-anak, iya sih ya, buat anak-anak belajar di rumah ya Bu Vita.
Iya, teacher.
Iya. Gimana rasanya kerja bakti Bu Devi?
Senang.
Senang. Kenapa
Iya.
senang ya Bu Devi?
Cepat selesai.
Cepat selesai. Iya bener sih, cepat selesai kalau rame-rame ya.
Iya, teacher.
Iya. Kalau Bu Tati gimana rasanya kerja bakti Bu Tati?
Gak jenuh, teacher.
Nggak jenuh ya?
Iya.
Iya. Sambil ngobrol.
Iya.
Iya. Sambil ngobrol ya Bu Ita ya.
Iya, sambil ngobrol biar nggak jenuh, teacher.
Biar nggak jenuh ya.
Iya.
Itu sih. Jadi kalau kerja bakti itu selain pekerjaan yang cepat selesai, kitanya juga nggak jenuh ya.
Iya,
Iya.
teacher.
Oke deh, selamat bekerja ya.
Iya,
Iya,
teacher.
Semangat. Aku bantuin deh bawain ini ke sana ya.
Boleh.
Boleh ya.
Iya.
Makasih.
Iya.
Ini lihat nih, udah ada nih aku ya. Makasih ya. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
From the video you know what is working together. Working together or work in a group. We can call it as a teamwork. Teamwork make your tasks, make your job finish quickly, then you work alone. Which one do you prefer? You finish your job quickly or you do it alone but you finish in the long time? I think you will choose work in a group or a teamwork. Have you ever worked together to clean up your house with your family? Such as wash the dish, clean your living room, or make up the bed with your brother or sister. Working together as a group, a teamwork in your family is one of the example of the good value from sila ketiga Persatuan Indonesia. What is the other example of a good teamwork in your family? Can you mention it?
The living room's messy, let's clean up.
Okay.
The living room's messy, let's clean up.
Okay. We have up, yes we can.
The living room's messy, let's clean up.
Okay.
Bathroom.
The bathroom's messy, let's clean up.
Okay.
The bathroom's messy, let's clean up.
Okay. We have fingers, we have hands, we can clean up, yes we can.
The bathroom's messy, let's clean up.
Okay.
Bedroom.
The bedroom's messy, let's clean up.
Okay.
The bedroom's messy, let's clean up.
Okay. We have fingers, we have hands, we can clean up, yes we can. The bedroom's messy, let's clean up.
Okay.
How about a teamwork or working together in our community? In our community, a good teamwork, we can call it as a kerja bakti. In our community, a good teamwork, we call it as a kerja bakti. We do kerja bakti usually on Sunday morning. Together with your neighborhood, with your neighbor, your father, your mother, clean up the environment, such as cutting the grass, such as clean up the drainage, such as even you do it to clean up the masjid. That's one of the example of kerja bakti. As I told you, a good teamwork or kerja bakti is one of the example of sila ketiga Persatuan Indonesia. What is the other example of the good value from sila ketiga Persatuan Indonesia? In our community, we know Siskamling, we know Posyandu, we know Karang Taruna. That make us together live in harmony, live in unity in diversity. Sila ketiga, Persatuan Indonesia. Now, student, your job, your task is to find it out what else the good example of sila ketiga Persatuan Indonesia that you can find it out in your house, in your community, and the last one, of course, in your school. What is the good example of sila ketiga Persatuan Indonesia in your school?
The good value of Pancasila, sila ketiga in the school and in the class. Now we will see the example of it. The examples. First, work studying together, discussion, cleaning up the garden, exercise, playing together, celebrating National Day, doing project, clean up the class. Studying together, you do it with your friends in the group. It is a teamwork. That's what we call working together. Besides studying together, you do also the discussion. Discussion the material with your friends and with your teachers. Sometimes you can ask or you can answer the questions that discussed in the class. Next is clean up the garden. Yes, this is one of kerja bakti in the school. Clean up the garden together with your friends. And then also beside that, you can do it also exercise together. You can play basket together. You can play soccer together. It is really fun. Besides exercise, of course, you can playing together with your friends. Jigsaw, seesaw, everything together with your friends is a good value of sila ketiga Persatuan Indonesia. Then, celebrating National Day like Independence Day, Teachers Day, Kartini Days, it is also one of the good example. In the class, you are doing project together with your friends. You are doing projects in the lab. You are doing projects and present it in front of the class. Then you also, this is one of the most important. Clean up the classroom. This is one of the good example of sila ketiga Persatuan Indonesia.
So, do you find it out? What is the good example of sila ketiga Persatuan Indonesia in your school? In your school, in your class, you study together with your friends, with your teachers. Can you fight with your friends? Can you hit your friends or kick your friends? No, you cannot. You have to love your friends, taking care of them. You have to live in harmony. That is one good example of sila ketiga Persatuan Indonesia in the school. What else? Sometimes your teachers ask you to discuss together about one topic. The topic that you think it is difficult for you. And then your teachers want you to discuss it to solve the problem. And remember, in the class, you have duty time. It is when you work with your friends to clean up the class. Do you want your class messy or tidy? Of course, you want your class to be tidy. Then you work with your friends to clean up. That's one of the good example of sila ketiga Persatuan Indonesia in the school.
So, what is Al-Quran said about working together or help each other? What is the correlation between Pancasila, sila ketiga, and Al-Quran? Of course, they are related. You can see from Al-Maidah verse 2. I will recite it for you. وَتَعَاوُنَ عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى وَلَا تَعَاوُنَ عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ إِنَّ اللَّهَ شَدِيدُ الْعِقَابِ. And cooperate in righteousness and pity, but do not cooperate in sin and aggression. And fear Allah. Indeed, Allah is severe in penalty. So, in Al-Maidah verse 2, Allah told us to cooperate, work together, help each other in kindness. But Allah told us, do not cooperate in sin and in aggression, not in the bad way, but in the good way. Remember, cooperate, working together, help each other is one of the good example of Pancasila, sila ketiga. That's the correlation between Al-Quran and Pancasila.
Alhamdulillah, we have learned what is the good value of sila ketiga Persatuan Indonesia. We learn about unity in diversity, living in harmony, love each other, respect the others, working together, a good teamwork, and proud to be Indonesian. I hope you can apply those good value of Sila Ketiga Persatuan Indonesia in your daily activity. You can apply it in your house, in your community, and the last one, of course, in your school. Thank you very much. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.